Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 23rd and let's get into it. So just like any other day, right? So let's go ahead and check the pre-market, sorry, not the pre-market, the overall market real quick on SPY, see how that was doing. So today it seems like it's on an up move, definitely on an uptrend for sure. So as you can see, it opened up, let me just make that full screen. It opened up right about on this area and it had a good move up, good green volume as well. And then it's kind of doing a little flat top on this area right here and then breaking out. So let's just check out the daily real quick. If we see the daily chart, you can see it's not as strong today compared to this wick. So next few days, it may be slow and it makes sense just because of the holidays. And we may get more updated news about the stimulus check to see if we're going to get $2,000 or $600. I don't know, but that may get updated. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go over the watch list. So if I pull up the scanner and the scanner right here. So OCGN, crazy move today, 662 million shares. JAGX, crazy move, 407 million. ONTX, OCGN I was watching, and then a few others I was watching as well. ENG as well I was watching, and LIZI. So definitely today was definitely a decent day. I'm up $267, and let's just go ahead and show you the trades. Right, my majority of the profit came today from ENG and some from LIZI. Half of the shares were even, half with a few cents of profit. But ENGI, let me show you the trade first. I feel like that one was a good pattern. Let me just go ahead and go to the daily real quick. So if I go here, let me just zoom in real quick. Just take everything off. So ENG, I was looking for this move right here actually for the break of 215. Why is this getting in my way? Put it down here. For the break of 215 right here. So I saw the bits come in and they got in and it sold some on the way up. And then I got in again around, I believe 230. And then I was holding some all the way on the way up. So if I pull up my trades real quick, you can see that on ENG, let me go back here. ENG I got in for 214, got out 222. And then got in again at 428, 250 shares, and at full size 231, and got out at 240, and then I scalped the 250s and got out 253. So that one was a bit risky. That's why I got out pretty quick, and you can tell that it actually failed right after that breakout. So which was around this area right here, 250, and it failed at 257 and just dumped from there. So yeah, that was it on ENG. LIZI, it's not really worth showing. That was whippy stock, literally in and out. Other than that, FENG break-even trade. So today, definitely good, decent day today. I think I did well on trading and following my plan, and hopefully you guys did too. But tomorrow is tomorrow is Thursday, so tomorrow the market closes early. And Friday's a day off, so just be cautious tomorrow. The volume might not be as clean, or it might be just low volume in general. Other than that, hopefully you guys agree, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you guys tomorrow.